How y'all doing today?
Good.
Another day, another nickel.
Don't miss the whole day, guys. Take another day, another dollar.
No, I just get a nickel.
Oh.
You were here last night, right? You were here last night?
I was.
Yeah, Bumblebee. I was the conductor. And that's Bria.
I know your girlfriend.
Yeah, she lost my chain last night. I thought they were looking for it. I gave her a necklace square that had the cross on it, and she lost the chain for it.
Don't miss the whole thing by taking pictures, then.
I'm not looking at the picture.
You won't miss anything, but then you have to fix it.
That's true, but
Okay, Dan, get the front of that inch after we go past it.
Yeah.
There's a big old thing hanging on the front of it.
There it is.
It's
you
working
get
down
to see
here.
the whole train in the shed there.
Yeah.
Zip is down here.
That's my dad.
That's one of those like little work truck thingies. Little work thingies.
He was going to be here today, but he hasn't showed up yet. We just came back to here when they really get going.
Rocking back and forth.
We let people ride on that car with no
Oh, that's Jake. Jake Sonoma.
Hey, hey!
Airport.
Lost my necklace right there. I was trying to find it. I didn't realize he was over that big tree in there. Of course, you can see she doesn't care where she's at.
There's a Halloween decoration.
Was it one of the Oversize one or was it Jake did?
No, it was a
Maybe it'll be the last
just a big
stop.
old chain.
Yeah.
Oh, a chain.
Yeah, it has a cross on it, the necklace. For some reason or other,
I'll bet it is.
she took her off her neck.
Warren they got on that thing.